How to fix iPhone microphone not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option. Here scroll down again and navigate to microphone. Make sure the app that you are using has microphone access on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for that particular app. You can then go ahead and test recording in voice memos to see if the mic works. Next fix is scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and toggle off the Bluetooth icon as this will disconnect from AirPods or external speakers as sometimes audio or output input gets rerouted automatically. Next, make sure that your iPhone has multiple mics, bottom, front, and rear, so go ahead and clean the microphones. You can use a soft brush or dry brush to remove the dust or lint. You can also avoid liquids or sharp tools and make sure to tap gently to dislodge the debris. Next, restart your iPhone as this fixes temporary software glitches affecting the microphone. You can then go ahead and use various apps such as voice memos, phone call, camera, video to see if the mic works. And if it does not work anywhere, then it might be the possible system issue. Next, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update and go ahead and install the latest iOS update as Software Update will fix microphone bugs. In General, again, scroll down and you will see the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. This will reset all settings and will not delete any data and will reset network, sound, and system preferences. And if none of these fixes your issue, then go ahead and check the hardware so you can test with headphones or mic. And if it works, then it might be that the internal mic may be damaged. So you can go ahead and visit the nearest Apple Store or authorized repair center. So, this is how you can fix microphone not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.